have a request. Never try to criticize Nehru ji. Because criticizing Nehru ji is like abusing India's struggle for independence. Because had there been no Nehru ji, there would be no free India. Because it was Nehru ji who negotiated with Lord Mountbatten and not any Shyama Prasad Mukherjee or ABC. So let's respect Nehru ji for being not only the first Prime Minister, but somebody who gave us independence, to talk even against him, much the way you have been and your party has been doing. And you come up in a Nehru jacket and then you have to Nehru, that shows your mentality. See, now coming to the point of Kashmiri Fund, I have a very humble son. See, I don't doubt the commitment of Modi ji and Amit Shah ji towards Naya Kashmir. But why is there a trust deficit in way of rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir? I mean, why can't somebody like Chief Secretary Carter Man, Atal Dulu is a... Why can't somebody like former DGP Kuldeep Hooda Sahab or Amitabh Mattu Sahab be in the decision making? Why are Kashmiri Pandits not getting even a voice in BJP government? What is the problem? Why is BJP government even not bothered about letting them speak in the idea of governance? So why is BJP so discriminatory towards Pandits? Forget about what people we have done. Forget everything.
Okay.
Kindly let me know.
I'll ask that question of the BJP. I will ask that question of the BJP. But I want to ask you, Majid Hydari, Farooq Abdullah में तो दम नहीं है to appeal to Pakistan to stop spreading terror in India. आप में है? आप अपील करते हैं?
फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब में दम था कि उनने अपनी कुर्सी त्याग दी जब उनसे हत्याएं रोकी नहीं गई. But I have never seen anybody from BJP resigning or from the Jammu and Kashmir administration resigning over the targeted killing of Kashmiri Pandits.
Can you appeal to Pakistan to stop spreading terror in India? Can you appeal?
I would request my honorable Prime Minister to make the beginning and I'd follow him. मैं मोदी भक्त बन के दिन रात वही बोलूंगा जो मोदी जी.
अच्छा, अकेले आपके पास दम नहीं है ये पाकिस्तान का नाम लेने का.
I'm concerned. I'm a very sensitive citizen. I go by what my Prime Minister says.
Oh my God.
Very good. That's a good thing.
I'll follow them.
I am very happy.
Okay.
I am very happy that he's following the right Prime Minister. Till yesterday they were following somebody else and Imran Khan in particular. But today our Prime Minister forget seeking request etc. अभी जब होता है ना हमला तो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक और बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक होता है. ये 26/11 के बाद जो सरकार जो MFN स्टेटस देती थी पाकिस्तान को वो सरकार नहीं है. माजिद हैदरी मैंने आपसे 2-3 सवाल पूछे. मैंने आपसे पूछा रिपेंट आप रिहैबिलिटेशन की बात कर रहे हो. बिफोर रिहैबिलिटेशन कम्स रिपेंटेंस एंड द रिपेंटेंस विल कम व्हेन यू फर्स्ट एक्नॉलेज दैट इट वाज इस्लामिक जिहाद. यू डिड नॉट आंसर. व्हेन यू विल एक्नॉलेज दैट मिस्टर बुरहान वानी, मिस्टर अफजल गुरु एंड यासीन मलिक आर ऑल टेररिस्ट, you did not answer. But nonetheless you are talking about stakeholders of Kashmiri Pandits, right?